Na nababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wear in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank HoliGraze for sending us for the first time. When we featured dito sa bahay po, we were able to receive these kinds of food. So these are grazing table delicacies, no? Ito yung mga nauuso sa mga events natin ngayon na instead of, providing the appetizers to the table, usually sometimes they offer fruits, crackers, or some nuts, mga ganyan. Ito na yung parang bagong setup today when they do events. There's something special kasi when we see food that are arranged meticulously, like this one, nakastack yung mga crackers, or you see some cold cuts that are folded right. Although that's the setup, we don't need to have an event for us to have these kinds of food. Actually, they managed to pack or package these kinds of food into something really presentable, something that are Instagram worthy to take picture of. Good job for them, because like I said, we don't need an event for us to experience this. These are also great for gifts. So instead of a material gift, sometimes ito na yung dadalhin mo because you get to share the gift. They have different kinds of packages. I believe there are 3 types. We're gonna be flashing on your screens. Ayan. And those are what you will get, no? So once again, we would like to thank HoliGraze for sending us. Let me just name, let's name some of the food that are included. Let's taste them, guys. I'm gonna have first one. This, we have cheese, may pepperoni, we have jalapeno layoner. Meron din tayong mga dried blueberries. We also have walnuts, some olive. You have some pastries, grapes, crackers, and this is a hazelnut spread. So for your crackers ko, kung medyo gusto niyo ng, sweet. Now this one right here, what is this? Oh, it's a dark chocolate, no? Yeah, I'm gonna have chocolates later. If you were to ask me if kasama yung wine dito, might as well check out dun sa fan page nila or message them. You can ask if this can be included. I also believe that they can be made to order or custom yung box ninyo. For sure, if you are looking for a particular item that you want to be included here, do a transaction with them. So I think this is the largest box dito sa table natin. Some nuts, olives, grapes, we have a Colby Jack, walnuts, you also have macaroons, baguette, some more cold cut meats, you have your Hungarian sausage. So I think this is probably shareable. Okay, so last box we received from them is, I think it's a customized gift. So for this one, you have a tumbler. Meron tayong print ng Wear in Pampanga dito. So I believe they can customize it. Plus, we have a Frappuccino Starbucks bottle here and a Ferrero Rocher chocolates. So again, guys, very, very suitable for a special gift. I want to taste first yung kanilang grapes. Now, for the cold cuts, I want to try yung pepperoni. Oh, wow. I'm not very familiar dun sa mga pronunciation ng mga terms natin dito. So again, guys, if you can help me, I would gladly appreciate it. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Now, let's have a baguette. Let's put in one of their mga cold cuts natin. So I want to put it on top. I want to put on top a Hungarian sausage dyan. So again, let's taste it. Cheers! I am so happy. Yung ginawa nating bread here is a mixture of different tastes. So there's the sweetness of the dried blueberries. There's the saltiness of yung cold cuts natin at saka yung Hungarian sauces. There's a little bit sourness dun sa cream cheese natin, plus a little bit of milky dun sa cheese natin. An explosion of different flavors, guys. If you are interested to know more about these products, these produce, guys, make sure to check out HoliGraze. The Facebook page is flashing on your screens right now. Please do a transaction with them. Please, let's show some support and love by giving them a like or follow or subscribe. Please, guys, let us show some support to this business that are, really want to share their love to us. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Wear in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Bye!